Okay, now we need to program this animation, so let's select EnemyCave, and well, we have right here our animator component. The controller is EnemyCave, it's good. And now let's open our animator window. Okay, great. So we need to make a new state. Right click, create state, empty, and this state we're gonna call this state as idle. Okay, and we need to assign this set as layer default state. Okay, alright, so great. Now we need to make a transition from hard to idle without a parameter, and then for enemy die we need to create a transition from any state like this. Now we need to make a new parameter. We're gonna call this, it's going to be a trigger one, and we're going to call it enemy die. Okay, and now we're going to assign it to this transition. Oops. Oh. Okay. Alright. And with exit time, let's play with the values. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I think we got it. Okay. Great. Now, let's preview our transition. Okay, so I got something weird going on here. So what we need to do is play with this, something like this. Okay, let's check. Something like 1 and 2, so I don't need that. So I need to work with the settings. They are fixed duration, maybe something like this. So let's check. Okay, no. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's play with the basic settings, and then we'll work with them. I'm going to make again the transition, and has exit time, and the condition enemy dies. So we have right now this, but I need to see that working. Okay, now let's make a new C# script. Let's go to our scripts, enemy scripts. So create a new folder. It's going to be our enemy cave scripts. Okay, and now we need to make a new C# script. We're gonna call this cable 1 health. Okay, and this we need to assign this script to our enemy cave. Okay, so let's open our script and let's make some variables. Okay, now we need to make serialize. What's happened? Okay. Oops. Okay, so let's say, oops. This is going to be serialize field, and let's say private int starting health equals to 50. Okay, Then again another serialized field, copy. Okay, it's going to be a private float, time since last hit. Okay, and 0.2f. Okay, next another serialized field. It's going to be another private float, disappear speed equals 2f. Okay, and another serialized field, private int current health. Okay, next private float timer equals 0f. Okay, private animator anim, private ball is alive, private rigid body is going to be a rigid body. Okay, private box collider, okay, private ball, disappear enemy. Okay, let's keep some audio. Let's save this and let's assign an audio source. Audio source, okay, and okay, we're gonna say okay, private audio source. This is going to be this audio, and another one for the clips, public. Make public audio clip is going to be short audio. Public audio clip, this is going to be kill audio. Private drop item, drop item. Okay, and for the effect, public game object explosion effect. Okay, and then we need to make the getter for the is alive. Public ball is alive. Okay, and get return is alive. Okay, and now for the initialization, let's say okay, rigid body equals get component or rigid body. Okay, and then for our box collider equals to get component, and it's going to be our box collider. Great. And now for anim, get component animator, and next for is alive is going to be true. Okay, now for our current health is gonna be equals to its starting health. Okay, and then for the audio equals get component, oops, audio source, okay, and for drop item is going to be equal to get component drop item. Oops. Okay, let's save the code, and now let's work with the functionality. So let's go to our object function, where we're gonna say, okay, the timer plus equals time dot delta time. Okay, now let's make a function. Oops, here we have the function. So void on trigger enter collider other, okay, if timer is greater or equals than the time since last hit, and is not game over, game manager dot instance dot game over. Okay, so if other dot tag is what happened here, is our player weapon. Let's bring the take hit, okay, and reset the timer. Timer is equals to 0 f. Okay, now let's make the take hit function. So void take hit, okay, is going to be if current health is greater than 0, then game object new explosion effect is equals to game object instantiate what? Well, our explosion effect transform dot position comma transform dot rotation, okay, then destroy new explosion effect comma 1, then anim dot play heart, okay, current health is less and equals 10, okay, and audio dot play one shot. Which one? Well, our heart audio, yes. And what have I done here? I have, oh, okay, just see, yeah, great, okay, and insert the audio, and if current health is less or equals than 0, then is alive, is going to be false, and we play the kill enemy function. Okay, now let's make the kill enemy function right here. Okay, so void kill enemy. Okay, and then box collider dot, and but why, let me see, oh sorry, I have this box collider, and where is this? Okay, box collider. Okay, box collider, yes, okay, great. So box collider dot enable is equals to false, then anim dot set trigger enemy die, and then audio dot play one shot. Which one? Well, our kill audio. Great. Then we need to make a routine enumerator remove enemy. Okay, so we're gonna say just yield return new wait for seconds. How many? 2. Okay, and destroy the game object. Okay, so now we can on the kill enemy we need to call this coroutine. Let's start coroutine remove enemy coroutine. Okay, and drop item drop. Okay, let's save the script, and now we need to assign. Oh, let's see what a drop item could. No, oh, that's what I'm going to do. We need to assign the drop item. Yes, this to the enemy cave, and we have is drop items. So here for the initialization we need to say okay, drop items, and okay, I think that's all that we need to do. Let me check. Drop item. Sorry. Drop item. Okay, so let's save. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, drop item. Oh, these drop items once again. Okay, let's save. Okay, okay, start coroutine. Okay, all right. I think that's all that we need to do. Yes, okay, great. Now let's select our enemy cave. So I'm going to assign some temporary audio just to see them or hear them. Okay, so in my projects, where are you? Audio. Okay, enemy hurt. Okay, to hurt audio. Dead. Kill audio. The explosion effect is in the, where are you? Effects examples. Fire and explosion. Prefabs. Okay, so I have here my small explosion, so I'm going to assign right here. Okay, what else do I need? Okay, drop items. Okay, I definitely want this to drop an item, so I have these 3 items made it, so I put the size 3. And for the my prefabs, where are my prefabs, I want to say, okay, you will drop a health item or a life item or a power item. Okay, so save the game and let's preview our game. So okay, I need to assign my X max, so I'm going to put 200 in my margin. Okay, so let's check once more. Okay, so okay, boom, yes, great. Let's see. Cave health, current health 20. Okay, boom, 10, boom, yes, okay. Well, it's great. I have an issue with the animation, so in the next video we're gonna work with that issue. So I'll see you in the next